Hi subscribers, welcome back to my channel. It's nice having you back. On my last video, I shared a video on introduction to ArcGIS Pro. Now today we are going to proceed further. We are going to move on some things that we still need to know before we go finally to the main task of using ArcGIS to carry out tasks to carry out different functions of ArcGIS. Because when using ArcGIS, there are some things you can just watch my videos on ArcGIS. Then now we are proceeding to ArcGIS Pro. So there are some changes from ArcGIS to ArcGIS Pro. So I will quickly show you some things, some differences that is on ArcGIS Pro and the proper environment of ArcGIS Pro. Thank you. Now after you successfully open your ArcGIS Pro, this is the interface. Immediately it's initialized. Then the best way for you to create your project is by coming to this icon here on map. You click on map. So after you click on map, you give it a name. Then you select the desired location where you want it to be saved, which I shared on my last video. Then you click OK. So now the beauty of ArcGIS Pro is that this is the environment of ArcGIS Pro, and the beauty of this ArcGIS Pro is that when your mobile data is on, when you connect your system to mobile data, you can do well to come to your base map here. Then you select the type of map that you want. We have imagery. So this is imagery. Then you can select any location in the world that you want to go. Maybe you have a particular task that you want to do and you know the location already. You can just use your imagery depending on the type of map that you want to work on. We have imagery hybrid. That one is going to show the map and the name of the. That one is going to show the map and the names. You can see the name on the screen, the countries and the names that is inside the countries, like the states and likes. We have street map, we have topographical map, we have navigation, we have street nights, we have national geographic style map, we have open street map, we have ocean map. Depending on the task that as I said earlier, depending on the purpose of the work you want to do. So that is fine. And then you can see here under my map, you can just uncheck this map imagery, and then we have hybrid layers. You can uncheck it. So that is fine. Let me quickly show you some functions here. Under your explore, when you come to explore, you bring in your cursor. You can see it shows the mouse. My mouse, it shows the mouse. We have 1 2 3. Now fine. For one simply means that when you want to view pops up or pen, you can use your left selection, your mouse left selection, which is on 1. If you want to rotate, zoom or tilt a map, you can use the roll ball on your mouse. If you want to zoom continuously, you can use your right click side of the mouse. And then we have some shortcuts of ArcGIS Pro, which is here. We have shift, zoom rectangle. Shift simply means you want to zoom the rectangle. We have control. When you click on control, it's going to view pop-ups within rectangles. We have N is point north. We have B means look around in 3D. We have C, explore when using another tools. We have V, the shortcut for rotate. You can use your V to do that. We have control plus alternate plus C, which is quick enable. That's fine. So now when you come to this place here, when you click on this full extent, this small icon here is going to bring the map to zoom extent. So that is that. At the last time I showed you people something on go to XY. I'm going to quickly do something on that, but before I do that, the beauty of this ArcGIS Pro is that if you know any places in the world that you want to go and you know the name of the place, you can search using the street name, or you use the coordinates of that place to search, just like something that we do on our Google Earth Pro, that you can search using the street name, or you use your coordinates, your lat and long coordinates to search for that area. So this ArcGIS Pro also enables you to do that easily by coming to us. You come to your words, you click on this locate icon here. You can see now we have locate by search and we have locate by layer, but to do that you click on locate by search. So it's going to bring out this icon here, then you press what, you search for the location where you are going. Let me just search a place of my choice. So this is it on the screen here. You can see this is Federal School of Surveying. So now it's already taking me to the place where I'm going. That is one way of going directly to the area where you are interested in. And then another thing is when you click on this go to also, like I said on my last video, under go to we have, you can go to any location using UTM. You can use US National Grid. You can use degree, minute and seconds and likes. But before that, let me quickly show you something on convert to coordinates. Coordinate convert, this icon here, coordinate convert. When you click on it, now under coordinate convert here we have you can see the way I'm moving my cursor is changing the coordinate on the screen here. So when you click on this edit properties, you can simply select the type of coordinate that you want to be displaying on your screen. If you want it to display UTM coordinates, you click on it, you select UTM coordinates. The default is on decimal degree, lat and long decimal degree, and this one is degree, minute and seconds. If you want it to be on degree, minute and seconds, you select it and likes. So now let me quickly show you for the one for degree, minute and seconds. So you just click OK. You can see now it has changed it to degree, minute. It has changed it to what? Okay, what I just did now was I selected what? Display. What I did was that I selected this, which is on the default is on degree, minute and seconds. I selected the default. So now if I want it to be on UTM coordinates, I'll click on UTM, then I'll click OK. Now you can see now it's now on UTM coordinate. You can see it's going to tell you this zone 31 north, and it's going to give you the eastern space, then the northern. So that's fine. So you can see now enter a coordinate. So if I want to, let's assume I need the coordinate of this place now. Once I just click on this edge of these buildings, clicking on the edges of the buildings is going to give me the coordinate. You can see the list of the coordinates on the screen here. These are the list of the coordinates on the screen. So that is the list of the coordinates of those of the building on the screen. So that's fine. Another thing is we have this here, which is on measure. You can measure distance, you can measure area. So let's quickly measure distance. Like if you want to measure distance, you can see on the display we have the different type of format. We have meter, we have feet, we have kilometers and likes, and then we can change this to geodesic. We have planner and likes. So now if you want to measure your so this is where you select the type of things that you want to measure. So when you click on measure now, let's assume I just want to measure from this point to this point. Now you can see the length of the size. So that is for measure. It enables you to measure. So coming back to go to X and Y now, we have here, you can change it like I said earlier on, lat and long. So since let me just use one of the coordinate of this point. So let me change it to UTM. So for you to the format of you inputting your coordinate, let's assume you want to search for a location. What you simply do is you first put the zone of that location, zone 31, like 31 north, and then you put the easting before the northing, 604849, then you put space, and then you press the easting 0867069. Then you can see now it's even already displaying for you on the screen. You can see when you click on this icon now, you can see where we start, exactly the location of this point. So now let me just quickly change this coordinate converter. Let me change it to decimal degree so that you can see it on the screen. Then in order for you to change it to decimal degree, you click on this icon, edit properties, then you click on DD, and then you click OK.
So now I'll just do what? I'll also change this to decimal degree. Then you input what? You will input the longitude and latitude. So for the latitude I have, for the longitude I have 003.95105 easting, and for the latitude I have 07.843083 nothings. Then when you click on this icon that says flash location, you can see exactly on the same location where we check for UTM.
So that is that for going to the location of your choice. Another thing whereby I want you to note is that for digitizing, assuming just for practice purpose, for digitizing, if you want to digitize, what you simply do is what you come to view, you click on view, then you click on what, catalog plane. Then when you bring in whatever you want to digitize, or you want to digitize directly from the map that you have, what you simply do is what you click on, after you created your project and other things, then you select your select your folder, and then you right click under the project and click on new, then you click on shapefile. You bring in the shapefile of whatever you want to digitize, like we have buildings, we have roads, whatever you want to digitize, just select it, and then you give the digitize features a name. Let me just digitize the buildings. So I'll simply give this as a building. I'll give this as buildings. Then we have the geometry type for buildings. I'm going to select. We have different geometry type. We have point, polygon, polyline. We have multi-patch. We have multiple points, but I will be using point for buildings. Then you select the coordinate system. The coordinate system for the shapefile, you define the coordinate system. So it's on projected coordinate system, and then you click on UTM, then you click on WGS 1984, and then you select North Hemisphere. So the coordinate system is on UTM zone 31. Then I'll click OK. So So the coordinate system for the features has been defined. Then you click on run. Now that is fine. That is for digitizing. So now you can see here, this is the features of what I just created. So you can just change this color. If you are not satisfied with the color here, you can just click on it and then give it a better color that you deserve, that you want on the screen. So these are the colors on the screen. You can see properties. We have shape fill symbol, we have color, we have output color and likes. So you can select the color that you want to give it, and then when you're done, you click on apply. So the changes has been done on the screen. Then after that, what you simply do next, you come to edit, you click on edit. Then after clicking on edit, you click on create. Then you select the features that you want to digitize, which is my buildings. So now to digitize that, you just select the buildings that you have on the screen. You select it. These are the buildings here. So you select the buildings, you digitize out the buildings. Then after you are done digitizing, so these are what we've digitized on the screen. You can see it now. You can see when I have the stuffs, when I have the hybrid display on the screen, those are the things that we've digitized. So what the beauty of this is, you can digitize directly using the online ArcGIS map of your choice. That is one of the beauty of ArcGIS Pro. If you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bells for more videos. Thank you.